Здрасти!
Здравейте!
Име?
I'm Natalia,
Славина Стоянова.
Откъде си?
Brazilian.
От Генерал Тошево съм. В момента живея във Варна.
Години?
I'm a 23-year-old.
На 22 години.
Какво свързва две момичета от двата края на света?
And my internship was in Varna during 7 weeks in this winter. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about my experience. Was the person who I lived with in these 7 weeks, along with her sister. First person I got to know in Bulgaria, like in Varna exactly, was Slavi. And she already received me with Banitsa and Item. After 2 days trip, I was like, oh my god, she came from heaven. And I loved her by then.
Наталя живя при мен за 6 седмици по програмата Global Family.
Кой готви по-добре?
So I gotta say that by cooking food, Brazilian food, I'm good only in Brazil.
Определено аз.
Каква е любимата ти храна?
Вегетарианската храна.
About the food, as I'm saying, Bulgarian food, it's very rich. But the things that I liked, I miss it until now. I mean, banitsa and doner, I can't choose between them.
Кой има по-добър вкус за музика?
I can say about musical taste that I really liked it, but I still prefer Brazilian music. But the funny thing is that me and Slavina, we found a common sense in music at the house because we both like rock. And I showed her some Brazilian music, she showed me some Bulgarian, and it was very nice because we learned a little bit about both and we liked what we saw.
Оказва се, че вкусовете ни за музика доста си приличат.
Кое ти е любимото място в България?
About my favorite spot in Bulgaria, it's hard to tell. And in Bulgaria, in general, my favorite place, I think it's Slavi's parents' house, which was a place where I felt so welcome and so cozy. And about cities, outside Varna, the city that I liked the most was Veliko Tarnovo, because I just, everywhere you look, it's beautiful. So there's not much not to like there. And there were Brazilians there too, so I made some friends.
Кой е най-забавният момент заедно?
My funniest moment, I think, was some little culture shocks, you know. For example, when I got there, I went to Slavina's family, and they drank rakia, so they offered me, and I took it as a shot, because in Brazil, that kind of liquor, we take it as shots, and in there, you guys taste it. So everybody made fun of me, like during my entire experience, especially her family, and I had some other, like, oh my god, I'm not doing the right thing moment, and it was very funny too.
Мисля, че това беше момента, в който бяхме на семейен обяд и тя реши да изпие ракията като шоп.
А най-трудният?
The hardest moment for me was when I got sick, because I had a little bit of food poisoning for some days, so I couldn't eat well and all. But it was something that I don't even remember about my internship because it was so little, close to so many good things that I lived.
Най-трудно беше в началото, когато тя имаше нужда от много помощ да се оправи с храната. Мисля, че тогава беше най-така предизвикателно, защото трябваше да я показвам всичко, да я обяснявам. Аз много се притеснявах да не би да се изгуби, да не би нещо да се случи с нея. Така че бях като една майка улица, която бди постоянно над нея. И може би това беше най-трудно момент. След това тя се започна много бързо да се оправя сама. И нещата бяха много лесни.
Какво ще ти остане след това съжителство?
I think the first thing I learned in Bulgaria was to take my shoes off at the door. I really tried doing it in Brazil, but it's not our habit, so in Bulgaria I do it. And it was funny sometimes when I forgot stuff in my bedroom and all, because I had to take everything off, damn it. But it was such a good learning still, all these little things. And what I gotta say at the end is, like, how two girls from such different backgrounds can connect so much as me and Slavina. And I can say it's because we open our hearts and our minds to learn about our culture, to live our culture together, and to see that in the end we are all people. And we had so much in common. Why to focus on a point we don't have? It was for me, actually, I think it was a daily learning, but it was also the place that was my home for the 7 weeks, and I couldn't have had better luck than staying with Slavina. We are still friends. We are very similar people in our way to think, in our way to treat people, in the things that we value. So I really think that we'll be friends for a long, long, long time, I hope. I miss you, Slavin. I miss your family. Hi, Alex. I miss you too, your sister. And the only thing I can say is how much I recommend this experience. Okay?
След това съжителство ми остава един много близък приятел, на който знам, че винаги мога да разчитам, и скоро се надявам да отида на гости и да се видим отново.